Hey, Angel. Alec, that doesn't count. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. Uh. Because Angel Peacer still has first before you said first. I would say, okay, questionable if you had said first before first was redeemed, but first was redeemed first. Oh, I forgot to get chocolate. Yeah, you have to redeem it. I'm so tired though, guys. Honestly, I debated on just going back to sleep or like sleeping early tonight. Okay, I think I'm ready. Probably not, but it's okay. And there was nobody who got last stream. Okay, so lesson, just like in the lesson. Get current. Page cannot be found. Okay. How is everyone today? What the? Okay, let's also close these just so I don't accidentally dox myself because I'm pretty sure that has my name on it. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Whatever. Actually, do they have it posted? Okay, so I'm really tired, guys. Like, I'm so tired. I'm. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that's not. Hold on, guys. Need to... Right? I'm not crazy, right? This isn't working. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, guys. Hi, Leah. Wait, 2 years bachelor's? Did you fast track? I knew you were getting your bachelor's, but I didn't realize it was only for 2 years? Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. I can't imagine doing a... Like, even the general education, you fast-tracked that too, it sounds like, right? Hi, Cyclops. How are you? How is everyone? Yes, I am quickly running through my energy on my game. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Okay, okay. Okay. Curry udon. That actually sounds really good. That sounds really, really good. Okay. Name, description, and parameters. Okay, so... Name... This would be... Honestly, okay, let me start that again. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't know how long I'm gonna last tonight. I'm exhausted. I never remember the conversion. I never remember the conversion. But yeah, Oh, thanks, Malia. I appreciate it. I'm so tired, guys. Like, last night I fell asleep at, I want to say 8:39. I don't know. And then I woke up at 11:30. And then I stayed up for an hour, and then baby bunny woke up, and then I went back to sleep. But I was so tired last night, guys. I mean, I think it's the fact, like, I haven't been sleeping very much as it is. Huh. I'm not crazy, right? This isn't working. Okay, the topics are definitely not working. Got it. Okay. I'm not crazy. They are not working. Okay then. So, we're gonna guess. We're gonna guess. Description. Actually, let me look at the GitHub. Let me look at the GitHub. Okay, never mind. I can just access it this way. Delete message. Let me access it this way. Okay, so theme. Passing the tool. So do this. Convert a Celsius temperature. To Fahrenheit. Does that make sense? And then we're gonna comma parameters. Excuse me. Parameters. This is also going to be a type function. Okay, this is now going to be function. Description. Type parameters. This would be type object properties. Hired. Okay. So that should be the case. This is not. Oh wait, okay. Hold on. Go back to the Okay, so let's see. I missing one here. Comma. Okay, so comma, comma. And we're going to also, I just realized Rython is streaming, so not sure why he's in chat right now. But if you guys want to go check him out, he is streaming right now. Or he was. Yeah, he's still looking. Or he's still streaming. What is it? I'm looking for job applications to get rejected from. Okay. Let's see. Okay, when we add more complex, we'll see more. The overall shape stays we. Oh, and oh, at current time. Okay, so use get current. Okay. So see. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Type. And this would be a number because we want, this would be a description now. Got it. We follow the same thing. Name, description, properties. Or type, description, properties. Okay, so then this is temperature. Okay, and so we're gonna make this required. Yeah, it's definitely difficult, and I feel like, so I just had an interview yesterday. I feel like I blew it. I'm really disappointed in myself. Like, I'm really disappointed in myself, guys. Oh, this needs to get. Control Shift P. That's not what I want. How do I auto format? I always forget. It's like Control or Shift Alt F. Shift Alt F. Huh. That didn't work. Control K. No. I don't know. I don't know. It's fine. Fine. Hey, sending. I feel like... So I had a whole bunch of experiences written down. I studied them so that I could answer them in the star format. But then like the questions that she asked me needed to be in a certain, like, she wanted it about a specific, like, she said that it had to be specifically about like a technical project or whatnot, and then I just got flustered, and then I just stayed flustered, and I felt like she looked confused while I was talking, and like I felt like I wasn't doing a good job. The star format. Oh yeah, sorry, I meant to pin this. No, it was another engineer. So I'm just really disappointed in myself. Yeah, it was the experiences. It was the experiences one. I felt like I did really well with the core values. Like, because looking at the core values of this company, I feel like I really align with the core values. But like, just showing I have transferable skills, I don't know. I just felt like I wasn't doing a good job explaining how my skills were transferable. I feel like I was confusing her, and you know, I don't blame her because honestly, I was probably rambling a lot. Hey, Pure Sizzle. Yeah, so I just... Yeah, I had final round interviews yesterday for a company. So I passed the technical, and then it was just like the behavioral and culture fit interviews, and yeah, I'm really disappointed in myself. I probably got it then. Wait, I got what? And also, don't forget, this is highly competitive. Remember, this is highly competitive, and they've been running interviews all week. So I didn't get rejected yet. They're still interviewing this week. And then I should be hearing back from the second company if I made it to final round for the second company as well. So if I do get rejected from this company, there's still hope. I do feel like I'm probably not going to, because of how badly I feel like I did on the technical for the second company. I feel like I'm not going to make it to final round for that one. So these two are, so I probably said it previously, but I don't want to say it right now on stream because I don't want to jinx myself. But they are two very well-known tech companies. So they're not Fang, but they are well-known. So because there are people still interviewing, I'm not going to say what questions they are, just on the off chance people. The reason why is I don't know who's watching. Apparently my neighbor has found my stream randomly. So I don't know who's watching. So I don't want to give that information. Plus, like, even last year when I made final round, I didn't give like I didn't say what the questions were or anything like that. Because I did sign an NDA. So are you laughing at the fact that my neighbor found my stream? Like, I saw him and he's like, "Oh yeah, I meant to tell you. I meant to like, I just wanted to tell you. I randomly found you streaming the other day." I was just like, "Oh my gosh." No, I adore my neighbors. I adore my neighbors. It was just really, really, really like he's a software engineer. He's a software engineer. It was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. So Pure Sizzle, the problem with the smaller companies is I get filtered out like immediately. I'm not even kidding you. I get like rejections within hours of applying. So I think for me, I don't care if coworkers find me in the future, because unless they are completely incompetent, I typically am just like, oh yeah, whatever's. But I did used to rant about my old coworker because he was completely... Basically, he stopped showing up to work for 6 months. Didn't do anything. Manager didn't do anything. So yeah, you can imagine my frustration. Moia, what's actually a good thing? So I feel like the problem with a lot of companies nowadays is if they put 4-year degree on their wish list, so like requirements, they filter where basically if you don't have a 4-year degree, they don't even consider you. Hey, Adam. Okay, so it wanted me to... But if I do get rejected, I'm still trying to stay hopeful without getting my hopes up. I can't get my hopes up right now because I feel like I did so bad. If it's a BQ, they have to filter on it. Basic qualification. Yeah. Thanks so much for the follow, Bandit. So equivalent experience, I've seen where it's 4-year degree. Well, okay, so equivalent experience is usually like 2 to 3 years of experience, and those are usually not the entry-level jobs. The entry-level jobs, all of them seem to require 4-year degree, you know? And I'm not talking about internships. I'm talking about entry-level, early career. So yeah, I apply to them. I do apply to them, but I just get filtered out. And I think that's why I really like looking at apprenticeships, because yes, a lot of it is not traditional 4-year degree, but there's also short answers. And I feel like when I can tell my story, it that's where I stand out. Like in these short answers, I do feel like I stand out because I do have, and I'm not saying other people don't have a unique background, but I do have a very like being a figure skating coach is a pretty niche it's pretty niche, you know? So like I feel like being able to, and also being streaming my coding, you know, between those two, I feel like I have a really unique story, a very niche story to tell. So I feel like these apprenticeships where I can write a short essay and then also like cover letters and things like that, but a lot of companies, like their application, don't have anywhere to put a cover letter anymore because it's just literally they use the keyword filtering, so they don't even bother with cover letters anymore, and there's like literally nowhere to put it. So it's just like I found that the companies that I can submit cover letters to tend to not be as quick to reject me. But I still get rejected. So go figure. But there's a couple of other programs that are opening up, and then I'm going to call in for some referrals. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, that didn't work. Why did that not work? Okay, because apparently I am putting this in the wrong place. Okay. 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 Hey. That works. That works. Okay. But I also have to say though, I I don't know. If I don't get offered the positions, I will probably try again next year. I'll probably try again next year. It's I think even if I were to get another job at a smaller company, most of these apprenticeships are for less than a year experience, professional experience. So I feel like, okay, well, if I want to get into big tech and I get some experience, I'll still try again next year. -40, did it not work? Oh, wait, that didn't work. You're right. Hold on, hold on. Oh wait, is this true? Oh my gosh, it is. I did not know that. That is an interesting fact. Yeah, that's an interesting fact. That was I only looked at the top one, 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and I was like, okay, it works. Oh my goodness. You looked it up? My code gave it to me. My code says it's -40. But I almost like I second guessed it. I was like, wait. Copy the run agent function from the lesson. Oh, I need to import JSON. Sounds good, Castillo. Also, if you're still there, what food? Okay, actually sending. Are you still there? Are you still there? Because I need your opinion. Trigger a tool call. I don't believe so. Fish and Grill, California. Are you wait, are you talking about California Fish Grill? And guys, also the sad thing too, I was thinking like, oh, you know, first thing I'm gonna do if I get a job is I'm gonna buy the synthetic ice and I'm just gonna have a skating stream. But again, probably not gonna happen. No, I need to stay positive. I need to stay positive because I did do well. Or, okay, I don't know if I did well, but I feel I did well on the core values interview. I feel I did well on the core values interview, and I did well on the technical. So, hi, Shafi. Okay, sending. Hold on. I'm gonna text you the question. Where are you? Okay. Let me know once you get the message. I sent it in Instagram DM. And then I'll tell you my story that I used for that because I'm just like, "Oh my gosh." I feel like I panicked and I just thought of the first time or the only thing. Yeah, I know. You miss all the shots, 100% of the shots that you don't take. So I know that. Hi Shafi, I'm doing okay. How do I know? I like California Fish Grill. There's not as many around as there used to be. I think they closed the one down where I grew up. So, but That's the only thing. But they did used to, where I live, there did used to be a lot of like small similar shops to it. Okay, so will calling 100 no. Okay, so the story I told to one of those questions was basically I failed an online assessment, and basically how I got better, how I improved was I reached out to mentors and I asked, because I failed because I panicked and I just got confused, and I reached out to mentors and basically asked for help and worked really hard on adjusting how I approach coding. So I worked with I didn't say his name, but I worked with Turing and completely changed how I approach problems, where I will write everything out now. Before writing a line of code, I write everything out. I put my observations down. I write pseudocode. I walk through it. I make sure that it's in my head, it's organized, and on paper, it's organized, so that my plan will do what I want it to do. And then I start writing code. And then if I run into issues, basically, I can now look back and see, okay, where is it going wrong? Why is this going wrong? And it's made me a more efficient coder, and I am able to break down the problems. I don't think I said that, but yeah, basically, like, that was my story. So yeah, I just I feel like she looked so confused when I was telling the story, and I just I feel like hi, love. You think it's fine? Oh, okay, okay. Well, that makes me feel like a tiny itty bitty bit more comfortable. Okay, so really? Okay, okay. Oh wait, hold on. I'm okay. I don't know. I don't feel confident in that. I just feel like, yeah, I feel like but see, I feel like it's not a very strong answer. I feel like it's not a very strong answer. I'm gonna hit you up and I'm gonna dissect my interview with you. Because honestly, like I am ruminating. I am ruminating. Like I have been thinking about it since I feel like I bombed it yesterday and I'm just like, okay, how do I do better next time? Because I got like the thing is guys, look, I took so many notes. Like I wrote down things I just so I could make sure like because I remember things more when I write them down. Like I studied and wrote things down and yeah, I just oh my gosh. And it's also like, okay, well, it's only a failure if you give up. Man, I should have said that. Okay, I will remember that for next time. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Oh, I was so nervous, guys. Like yeah. But it's true. It's true because yeah, I don't know. Okay, I don't know, guys. Okay, so I do think I need this. Okay. Okay, so I will remember that for next time. Yeah, I'll remember that for next time. Oh, okay, okay. Got it. So, oh wait, oh, yeah, sorry. As you guys can tell, I'm tired today, so I'm not talking as much. Unable, unhashable, dictionary, function. Okay. Uh, So, Rice like a Japan. I don't know what that means. Man, now I'm like regretting I didn't think of saying that. uh, oh, okay. So I don't need this. Duh, that makes sense. Why would I need... Yeah, okay. Okay. Hey. Okay, so... Error, unknown tool, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Did I accidentally write that incorrectly? Celsius to Fahrenheit. Oh my gosh, my eyes hurt from looking at all this. Celsius, error, unknown tool. Hold on. What just happened? Okay. So now extend the agent to support both tools. Oh, I have to update run agent. Okay. I have to update run agent. Duh. System prompt role, first model. What do you mean? What's difficult? You said prompt. Oh, tool result. So the question is, how do we... Oh, wait. Whoopsies, not what I wanted to do. Hold on. I mean, I'm a little confused at this moment of how they want me to lay this out because okay, so how do we get ow, 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 ow. Baseline. Tool definition. Okay, passing the tool description. Oh. Build the initial message. Normal. How do I do... Okay, my question is... My question is how to add a parameter. Okay, so... Okay, so... Tool calls equals first message. Okay. Choices, 0, message. Okay. Got that. Tool calls equals first message, tool calls. Args. So that would be JSON.loads. Message, tool call. We don't need that. We need arguments up here. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Function. Oh. Okay. Okay. So message. Okay, there we go. Those args. There we go. Okay. Is now. Okay, there we go. There we go. Did it work? Did it work? Yes. Wait, no tools needed? Oh, okay. So my question then is this layout. It's saying to extend it, but okay, it's fine. What a temperature is in Celsius? In Celsius. Or in Fahrenheit. Right. Ask what a provided temperature in Celsius is Fahrenheit. Which is a no tool. No tool was called because this query is not requesting any temperatures to be converted. Lesson 3, multi-agent. So this still doesn't make any sense to me because I feel like, am I supposed to have run agent twice in here? But that doesn't make any sense of calling the agent twice. Is my thing. So it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Fine. Use full CVS manager class. CSV. Run agent cycle setup. Run left. Multi-tool agent. Okay. Okay. So use full class. So use this. Right? I have to import path. It does. In Rust, we can use Python. You can? I don't know Rust, so I don't know Rust, so I cannot confirm nor or agree nor disagree, because yeah, I don't know it. And we want resources directory 32. Kiyoshi Kira, a forgetful. Honestly, I am Googling syntax all the time. I think if you can learn how to think and learn that logic, then that's okay to Google the syntax and you will still you will still know how to code. Yeah, my dogs are pretty adorable. But yeah, like I think that you could definitely learn sources directory 9. Okay, here we go. Okay. Sorry guys, I know I'm super quiet today and I'm normally like super chatty, but I want to get this done. I want to get What's cold chain? And how do you use Google Gemini to learn? I don't know why I didn't just minimize these. Because I'm silly. I didn't think about it. Whoops. Oh well. It's fine. Okay. Add a compute. To CSV manager. Okay. See. Tell it. Ask me which language. Interesting. How I want to learn different tests, lessons. Honestly, if it works for you, then like amazing. I don't think that would work for me. I'm actually pretty positive it would not work for me. Oh, thanks so much for subscribing, Jake, on YouTube. I appreciate it. See. Am I a gamer? I mean, I used to stream WoW. What do you mean? I guess, what do you mean by you don't see any gaming info about me? Thanks for the follow, call me Brevin. Like on my Twitch. I don't have time to game anymore. I really want to, but I don't have time. Would I like to? Yeah, but Coding, trying to get a job, raising a kid, trying to keep my sanity, reading World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. Like I lived on online. Hey, hey, I was top 50 warlock on Tichondrius, which is one of the oldest and most popular servers. So I have to say, like, I'm very proud of my achievement. Thank you very much. I mean, to be fair, Overwatch is from Blizzard, so also wow, I played well. I did. I did. I have played on and off since Burning Crusade. Yeah, and like I love raiding. I loved pushing keys. I loved collecting things. I hated PvP. um, yeah. I think I didn't like PvP because it was not very predictable. You can never know what the other person is gonna do. But like for raids and for keys, you knew the mechanics. So whether or not you could hit the timing and whether or not your teammates could hit the timing, totally different, but the mechanics were predictable. It's pretty old. I think 2007 was Burning Crusade. 2008. I think I just aged myself. I think I just aged myself, but it's pretty old. It's really old, actually. I don't remember how to do this. Okay, so we want to... Okay, hold on. Was it 2? I think it was 2. Okay, so warm up. No. Okay, there we go. Make sure I don't hit my .m file. I think it depends on your personality, but like, yeah, I lived on WoW, especially during COVID. Yeah. Actually, I feel like it would be like this. This. Relation and p-value. Elder Scrolls. I had some friends that played that. Where did it go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Correlation of coefficient. So the correlation coefficient measures the relationship between two variables. Like it measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. So usually it's in a heat map or scatter plot. Oh. I'm so scared of hitting my .m. Oh, I definitely played a lot. I played so much. It was bad. It was bad. So bad. You return a dictionary. Oh. Okay, fine. So it wants me to return a dictionary with keys. Okay. Return a dictionary. Okay, so if either column is not found or no CSV loaded. So we're gonna say if call 1 and call 2. Actually, let's first do results. Column 1, call 1. Column 2, call 2. Okay, so this is results. Linear relation. Okay, so if so I would do this first before even doing that. We would, because we don't want it to error. If there's no column at all, we want it before this. So if Okay, what is the data frame? That is the self dot data frame. Self dot data frame. And this would be self dot data frame column 1 dot data frame column 2. Why is this not? Oh, that's okay. If self. Okay. If call 1 not in. Call 1 not in. If call 1 not in self dot data frame dot columns or so my thought is, do I need it specifically? I probably should have it specifically because I feel like I should have it specifically just so I could tell which one isn't. And then turn. Thanks so much for following Aqua Panella. I appreciate it. Okay, so we have that. Skippy also add to tool schema and its entry. Okay, so no tool. That would be CSV backend dot view correlation tool schema. Function compute correlation description times Parameters, object, properties. That would be call 1, call 2, required. Two. Hello, Vroom Bullet. Welcome in. This. I think I need. Some help. Hydrate, guys. No, I do not. I mean, sometimes I guess I do, but not with Bonjour. Peanut makes me think of an elephant, though. I don't know why. I just think of a cute little elephant. Name of the first. We should not have to have a plot type. Yeah. What? No. At most, I think about a French guy with a twirly mustache. Thanks so much for subscribing on YouTube, Dan Log. I appreciate it so much. Thanks so much for the follow, Vroom Bullet. I appreciate it. Okay, add question 5. Okay. How many assignments do I do in a day? I mean, it's taking me like, so these are a lot more lengthy and new information for me. So usually it takes me like 3 to 4 days to finish one, depending on how focused I am. Some, like last week's, I think only took me 2.5 days, but like, yeah, so it used to be that I was able to finish like the homework in one day for last class, but um Let me see. Okay, so recreate the scenario from the lesson that hit the tool around. Oh, what am I doing? This isn't my lesson page. That's not my lesson page. It would come. Oh, it's your 14th. I mean, I don't think I understand. What do you mean test? What do you mean tests would come? I want to do leak code. I want to do leak code. Hold on. Sorry, somebody just posted a early career. Man, it's not remote. Oh, okay. Hybrid. Okay. Okay. This Dallas. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sending. Okay, hold on. I need to respond to this. Okay. Dang it, it's not remote. Arr. It's not remote this time. Okay. That stinks. Bro, if I knew what was happening here. Just kidding. I'm learning about AI agents and writing my own local agents right now. How far is the office? Not in the same state, so they require here. I'll send you the listing, Turing. But also hi. How do I share this? Oh, so it requires you to reside in that area. No, so you if you use a pre-trained model, you don't have to give it tons of data, so it's already trained. You can just kind of adjust it to your needs. You can give it system prompts. You can train it further for what you need as well. Okay, so but yeah, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. If you I actually would be, Michael. I would be disappointed. That was actually something that I asked in the interview. I was just like, "How are you guys approaching AI? Like, is it just yeah, like how are you guys approaching AI?" And they responded that they do like big scale they do big scale like bug, I forget what they said. Actually, I'm not gonna say it because she said that it was probably very specific to their company, what they do, or what they call it. But basically they do the AI thing, they do the code, and then they go through and just find all the bugs and correct it. If that makes sense. But like it's not like just debugging on the day that you get the code. Like it's I didn't quite understand it. It sounded like a team effort type thing. Do I split those assignments? I do not put a timer to focus, but when I'm not streaming, I'm a lot more productive. Yeah, so I'm still so bummed. I need to stop thinking about it, guys. I need to stop thinking about it. I feel like where's my system prompt? Okay, they have system prompt, but what is the system prompt? I did a setup to improve the dev. Chat GPT. 0 or O4 mini. O4 mini? Yeah, GPT 4.1 mini. I think we're using a different model originally, but yeah, it's right here. Oh wait, just kidding, you can't see this page. Sorry, I'm like looking at 3 different windows at the same time right now. I'm looking at my lesson plan, I'm looking at the questions, I'm looking at VS Code. So, me saying, it's right here, you guys can't see it. Just kidding. The results, setting up. This. Your VS Code forced an update? No! No! What version am I on again? about? I'm on 1.116. Okay. On VS Code. Okay. Okay, what? Running the agent. Start the conversation. We simply called the... But there... Hold on. Oopsies. Oopsies. Ah! Oh no, oh no. Okay. Okay, let me find my download spam based Python assignments 07. Oh wait, it should be under resources? No. Lessons. Resources. No, not happiness project. Where is... Okay. Let's read this again. Hold on. Recreate the scenario from the lesson that hit the tool round limit. Set up the agent with the system prompt from the lesson and then run. Load bike commute. But where is the bike commute? Bike commute. Full round. Oh wait, I'm not even in the correct thing right now. Full round limit. Okay, so this was bike commute. Okay, so where are you? Where do I... Okay. So... Resources directory. Resources. No, that does not contain it. That does not contain it. Where is it? Okay, is it here? Bike commute. No, that's a PNG file. Oh, there you are. Okay, Control C. And we're gonna do V, paste. Okay. Back to warm up. I really don't like my .env there. Hi, Freddy. Welcome in. Sounds good, bro. Right and go. Where do they? It's pinned up top. It's from Code the Dream. It's a free coding program for people in the States. Hi, people. Welcome in. Wow, I think I missed a whole lot of chat, and I don't have the brain capacity right now to... Thanks, Rython. I don't have the brain capacity to catch up. Oh. There we go. What? Resource. Okay, so is it because I have to put in the resource folder? Pretty sure that they only told me to have output. Yeah, they only have me have outputs. Interesting. Okay. I mean, honestly, I feel like I've gotten a decent amount done. Let's try this again. Probably if they haven't really... Rython? What do you mean is Rython a thing? Oh! Okay, that works. Okay, the correlation between average traffic density and average speed is approximately negative 0.53, indicating a moderate negative relationship. This suggests that as traffic density increases, the average speed tends to decrease. Okay. So I'm a little confused how to hit cool round limit. It enters an infinite loop where it repeatedly calls tools without reaching a solution, or because the task is complex enough to require more steps than allowed configured in the threshold. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Print the agent's final response. Okay, so. Oh, okay. They gave me. Oh my god. I need to read and comprehend. I think it's 11-week boot camps now, not 16. But either way, yes. Thank you, Rython. Amazing mod. Also, shout yourself out, please. Shout yourself out, please. Especially since, by the way, guys, I still don't know how he does it, but he is streaming right now and still actively modding my chat. Moderating my chat. Moderating. Actively moderating my chat. Or not actually working. Okay. Print the full messages list. Okay, so I have two monitors too, but I don't have headphones in. He's just looking around reading his chat. Oh, Turing's calling you out. Heart. Okay. So, each item in the list is a dictionary with add a comment above the print that identifies each role. Okay, so we have system. We have user. Oops. We have assistant. And then we have tool. Oh my gosh, I luckily don't have carpal tunnel, but I do have someone I know who actually had it in both her hands and had to get surgery for both hands. Okay. Let's see. So your small data assistant. So system. This is provides the rules. And instructions. Okay, user is question. The assistant is... Okay, so this is the tools. So it's calling the tools. Okay, hold on. Roll. So assistant is calling the tool. And then the tool is... The tool is... What is... Oh, hold on. The assistant also says this. So the assistant calls the tool or provides a response. Okay, assistant calls the tool or provides a response. Provides a text response. Tool is where it returns. So that's the tool call. So this is the content. So that's the data frame. So this is what... Tool call? Question mark? Question mark? I don't know if that's correct. We're gonna check. Okay, apparently me checking just... Use the user's question. Okay. I just realized today is only Thursday, so I have time. I have time. Let me open a new window. I need to see... First, make sure I don't accidentally dox myself. And then... Next... That didn't do what I wanted it to do. Schedule. Courses. Okay, so... I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more weeks. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't see a project. Is there not a final project for this? Hold on. Hold on. Is it because we've been doing mini projects all... Okay, it looks like it's because we've been doing mini projects this entire course that there's no full-on project. Okay. A tool for the user... Sorry, what? A tool for the user or assistant? So the assistant makes the tool call, and then the tool is the data that's returned. Is that what you're asking? I'm sorry. I don't think I fully understand what you mean. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. Hold on. Correlation, one of them was supposed to be rounded. Okay, round to 4 decimal places. So hold on. An agent. If the tool is what an assistant would use. So the tool is what the model is using to get the answer. So the tool is what the system is using to get the answer. Hold on. Let me fix this really quickly before I completely forget, and then I will clarify. Define. Built in. Okay, so this is round. I don't think this is what they wanted, but I don't want this to be in strings. So we're doing it this way because these are also not an NumPy array. So yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. Command input would get the answer. Well, the assistant still takes the tool to formulate the answer. So the assistant makes a tool call to receive the tool, which is the data, and then the assistant looks at the data and will interpret the data to come up with the answer. Yes. Okay, so code-based small agents. Okay, code-based agents. Rewrap compute correlation as. Okay, so I need to install small agents. I'm still in Vemv, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm teaching as I learn. I hope I'm not teaching the incorrect information. Oh my gosh, that would be so bad. I apologize in advance if I'm teaching the incorrect information. Oh. Also, how many of you guys would like to see a makeup stream where I do a get ready with me, even though I have nowhere to go? Are we AI agents? Wait, are we AI agents? Are we hallucinating? No, seriously. I did my makeup yesterday and I was just like, "Oh my gosh, I really like how this looks. I don't wear makeup enough anymore." Like, yeah, I was just like, "You know what? This looks really good." Hates me because I can't. Okay, so that is there. I have this. Ah. I do feel though that I wouldn't be surprised if it's lagging. My internet sometimes doesn't like me. But no, I don't have any dropped frames. So my internet seems like it's going okay. Okay, rewrap compute as a small agent using. Computer. Huh. Okay, so at tool. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. My OBS looks like my microphone is working, so okay. So, okay, so how do I? Oh, okay, right there. So, oh, okay, got it. Just kidding. Didn't need all this. Didn't need all this. Okay. so we want to dictionary. Dictionary, and then we're going to return CSV manager, right? CSV CSV is it backend? Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Add a comment comparing. Hi Backspace, how are you? I feel like it's been a while. I feel like it's been a while. Synthetic ice, yes. I want to start working out again. Argument is missing a type hint in function. I have. What? Small agents. Argument in function compute. No. I have it. I have string. Oh, self. I don't need self. Duh. I don't need self. Error in string. Hold on. Okay, where did it go? I just saw an error. Hold on. I just saw an error. Where did my error go? Tool error in compute. String doesn't define. I will worry about this later. Because, yeah, I don't... Using an F string doesn't make sense to me because we would want it to be in integer, right? Or floats. Hi, TT. Yeah, it's probably high density polymer. Ish. Because docstring has no argument. Oh, okay. Hold on. Compute correlation. Okay, so that works up until here. Not generate has no description for the argument. Okay. So, question 5, question 6. No, so it's already afloat. I was trying to round it to 4 decimal places. And I used round originally, but then it was saying that it wasn't um it's a string right now? Wait, is it really? No. It should be a float for correlation, right? For wait, what? Oh, these are, oh my gosh. Okay, 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 okay. Got it. Round. No, because column 1 and column 2 are strings. You're right, Misty. You're right. Down here is where I'm trying to round strings. You're right. Hi, Costio. Welcome back. Oh, okay. Hey, wait, Misty, we were just talking about this the other night too. About this. Okay. Compute Pearson's returns a dictionary. What does circular buffer mean? Okay, but no, that fixed it anyways. I was trying to round a string. Okay, returns. Okay, and then this is I'm gonna actually learn how to do it NumPy style. The returns. Dictionary. And this is our parameters. And this would be call 1. String. Yeah, I was looking at the layout of Google originally, and then I saw NumPy underneath of it. I was like, I'd rather do it this way. Unless there is a Turing. I think I don't know what a buffer is. So I'm just that just went right over my head. Okay. Interesting. Hey, but Misty, we were just talking about this. Look at that. Just like in an array. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know when my baby did this. So I have a back pillow for when I read, and somehow she moved it. She's on my pillow again, but somehow she moved it, and it's wedged against her back. And I don't know how she ended up on the other side of the bed. Hi, Howling. Mod? What? Okay, cannot generate... Has no description. It does, though. What? Hold on, hold on. Why is this still... Hold on. It's still... Did that not... Parameters. Parameters. Column 1. String. Dictionary. Returns a dictionary. Why is this not working? Small agents is fairly strict. Yeah, I'm seeing that. Okay. So I've learned a bunch of stuff now. So these are called doc strings, right? No. Why is this? Ugh. It's still not working. Why is it still not working? Cannot generate. So it needs to be same length or longer than the header. Returns. Columns 1, column 2. Parameters. Okay, should I just add one more then? I'm using all of the tokens. Just trying to debug this. I know it. According to... It says it should. The small... Okay, I'm gonna look this up. Where is it? Yeah, small agents can parse NumPy style doc strings. The description and input types are extracted. Is it supposed to be args, actually? So, I see parameters, but this... Style guide, NumPy doc strings. So I have... Do I have NumPy? Oh, it might be because I don't have NumPy installed. It might be because I don't have NumPy installed, right? uh... I'm in... Oh my gosh. Thank you, Misty. I don't even know how it got indented that far. I don't think... Do I need to have NumPy imported? I don't think I do then. No. Oh my god. Still doesn't work. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Why is this not working? So... Interesting. Okay, so they're telling me in the... Ugh, fine. Fine. We'll do Google style. We'll do Google style. Fine. I think I'm gonna call it a night after this though. And sleep. I did make a Venv container. The daily, I briefly looked at it. How bad is it? It didn't look bad. Was it really bad? Oh, hey, look, it works with Google. That's silly. Wait, did it? Oh, wait, hold on. So apparently, small agents, even though Google says that they accept NumPy, has to be Google, according to my class's lesson. Okay, I might look at it tomorrow during baby's quiet time. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a night though. I'm tired. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. I just want to go crawl in bed and cuddle with my baby and let's see. What do I have tomorrow? Oh, I have a dentist. Why are you confused? Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna go sleep. We're going to think what are phone boops and what? What? I don't know what that is. Or what you mean. Okay, guys. Let me see. So... I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I am considering, but I don't want to. So the thing is, okay, before I go to sleep, the thing is, like, I know I was talking about doing a makeup get ready with me stream, except I only stream at night, so I would be putting on makeup and then washing it off right away, which I feel like is a waste. So I don't know. I have to think about it. And honestly, I have majority of my viewers, I feel, I'm not saying all, I'm just saying majority of the viewers are male. So I'm not sure how interested you guys would be in that. So yeah. I mean, although I'll think about it. I'll think about it. That's gonna be a song. How is that? I'm just trying to be considerate of what you guys want to see. If you'd like, I can perm my eyelashes on stream too. I'm kidding about that. You look ridiculous when you're perming your eyelashes, like just in general, so I wouldn't do that on stream. I'm already ridiculous enough. I don't need to make myself even more ridiculous. Hi Jamar, welcome in. Okay, though. I am going to sleep though. Yeah, so I actually permed my eyelashes before I went to Asia, so I didn't have to bring an eyelash curler. And so, yeah. And it lasts. It lasts for like 6 to 8 weeks. I actually think my eyelashes are still slightly curled. It's pretty cool. And it was super easy. Hi, sending. I'm probably gonna text you after or DM you after I log off to have you help me dissect my interview. I think I'm getting delirious. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna go. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing a get ready with me, I don't know. Post in Discord or something random. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. I mean, I've cut my hair on stream before, and I know some of you guys are interested in seeing that. Okay, good night, guys. Appreciate you all. Also, usual spiel on Twitch and YouTube. If you haven't hit that heart and you enjoyed stream, please follow or subscribe on YouTube. So follow on Twitch or subscribe on YouTube, and then also on YouTube if you enjoyed the random content, give a thumbs up, please. Okay, bye guys. Good night.